So finally, I found myself a new bike. 2019 KTM FX 250. The bike has about 25 hours, 22 hours, double check. But the old owner was kind of piggy. The bike wasn't well taken care. It was really dirty, full of mud and gunk. The chain was really bad. The filter was really dirty. The plastics, the original ones, all messed up. So I bought some parts online, some new plastic from Arcebis. I got the yellow ones. Got some graphics from MotoCutz. Took the whole bike apart, washed, cleaned it up, and it looks much better. Also, I think the owner used to do a lot of trails, not track, so he replaced the rear shock spring with something else, which I don't like it. I'm gonna go back with the original WP spring, but for a heavier rider. Got some new Arcebis X-seat for the track. The new graphics came out pretty badass. I'm really digging it. He also switched from an air fork to spring, and I'm going back with the original air shock setup. I'm gonna replace it. Got some P3 carbon parts for the tank, Tusk, vent. As you can see, the suspension, I don't know, 10 hours on it, and it is already leaking oil. He blew a seal, so it's okay. The bike's going back to RG3, and I'm gonna get me a new setup. So we need to get some new wheels. Already bought some new exhaust from FMF. I got a fatty. It's gonna look pretty badass. They sleep on ProCircuit, shorty, and here is the original air cartridge that I need to put it back on a bike. So that's it. The bike's not done. Need to finish sprocket. Get a new sprocket, a new chain, and handlebars. And I think that's it. So when the bike is all done, I'll post more. Hey, thanks for watching. Come here. It smells like cigarette.